Here we have a 2-gang single pole switch. We are going to replace this with a smart switch, which is the Tapo S505. First, you want to make sure you turn off the power to the area you're working on. To verify the power is completely turned off, you want to get a voltage detector, and just to verify, there is no power coming through it. Now we want to go ahead and move all this. We also want to remove this neutral. And what I would like to do is take the neutral to your smart switch. Take the neutral to the box. As well as add a neutral connecting back to the fan switch. We will also like to take the power off as well. For the power, we are going to cut it off, because I am not too fond of daisy chaining. Kind of straighten it out. Take another Wago connector, connect it in. And the smart outlet, which the black wire on the smart outlet can either be load or line. Then we want to take another strand of black wire, and pop it in. Lastly, at least for the power slash line, and officially now we have to ground it. So that's going to be the green wire and the copper wire. All right, do a pull test just to make sure Everything is sturdy. Now the final result is to go turn on the power. As you can tell, the power kind of kicked on in here in the laundry room as my vacuum kicked on. And you got power to the light. Voila, that is complete. Now the most difficult part is trying to fit everything back inside the box, but I don't want to waste time on this video in regards to that one. Just to make sure, turn off the power, put everything in the box, and make sure you have the appropriate accessories. Again, thank you for joining. Please leave a comment if you have any questions.